Hi, it's me. Listen, have you seen that videos of that volcano on Iceland that's erupting? I want to go. I want to go see it.
I guess we're going to Iceland. Since booking our trip to Iceland, the rules have changed 3 times. We booked it on June 4th, and as of June 4th, if you were vaccinated, you had to get a COVID test in Iceland when you arrived at customs. And then after June 15th, I think it was, or it might have been the 30th, if you were vaccinated, you didn't need a COVID test on arrival in Iceland anymore. And then the 3rd change was after July 27th, if you were vaccinated, you needed to get a COVID test within 72 hours of departure to Iceland. So we have to get COVID tests. This is what you need to get into Iceland in August 2021. Passport, boarding pass, COVID vaccine, fax card, face mask, negative COVID test, my cute little biohazard bag. What does it say?
Negative.
Ooh, I'm negative! I'm negative too, by the way. Iceland registration barcode. Barcode for return COVID test. And a ride to the airport.
Okay guys, we're off to Iceland. Woo! Woo!
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. We get a blanket and a pillow. We're going to Iceland now. I've got my board. Yeah, that's grandma knitting on an international flight. Our plane was delayed because of a lightning storm. We were supposed to take off at 8:25. I think we took off like an hour later, but we're still on track. Good night, New York. Good morning, Iceland. The last time I tried to travel internationally, the whole country got shut down and then the world went into a pandemic. So let's see how this one goes. I'm chilly. We're at the Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon.
Are you cold?
Shiver me timbers. Teeth chattering. Showering in the Blue Lagoon. Leave the conditioner in. So nice. It's so nice and warm. This is the best.
It's like a giant bathtub.
It tastes salty. Wait a minute, we're going lower. I almost almost can't stand up.
It does get a little deeper.
Sinking. It is getting deeper. But there's a lot of warm spots. Wait, yeah, take a selfie before I'm like gone. I'm like drowning. I'm on my tippy toes now. Texture right here. I'm stepping in something. Stinks like sulfur. It smells like rotten egg.
Emily, what are you waiting in line for?
Very close camera. A drink.
Did you go under the? Did you go under the bridge? Did you go under
No,
the bridge?
Mom. We didn't get under the bridge yet.
No.
Did
Where
you?
were you?
We were taking a photo shoot at the rocks. You didn't see us doing the mermaid pose.
You didn't see us diving out of the water. Or do you want to just take my bracelet?
Are you being illegal?
Are you peeing in the what? Are you peeing in the ladle? That's what that sounded like you said.
Are you being illegal?
Are you peeing in the ladle? No, but I'm peeing in the Blue Lagoon. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't go. Alright, here's the deal. I want a smoothie, but I don't know the flavors. So you're going to ask the flavors. And if I want the first one, I'm going to tap you on the back once. And if I want the second one, I'm going to tap you on the back twice. Just give me a little whisper what you want. Okay.
How long
Oh, there it is. Green is good.
To drink in Iceland?
17.
17 and 3 years.
Whoa. 20.
We're gonna have a wine.
I'm gonna have a wine, Mom.
Okay. Okay, I want the fresh forever
Fresh forever.
smoothie.
Okay.
Because I can't have the other one with mango.
Are you
And why
allergic
not?
to mango?
You want these lips to go. So many limbs. So many what? I'm trying to walk by and it just looks like a million feet.
How's your Slurpee?
Yeah. Oh my god,
Yeah, it's not like 7-Eleven.
How's your smoothie?
It's good.
I wish it was pink wine.
No Moscato in Iceland. So do you think that guy over there is peeing? He's all by himself.
Definitely. He's the reason why this whole thing is like 100 degrees.
Actually, what the hell is that?
What?
What is it?
What?
What are those? Oh my god! Evan!
My talons.
Are you kidding? That's not even
That is
work.
disgusting!
And then here, listen to this. Get this on video. I want this on video. And then when he goes to cut them, he sits on our couch, he clips them and slowly puts them all in a pile, like a little graveyard, and then leaves them there in a big clump. It's disgusting.
Is your thing floating? No, come on. Go get that. Mr. Lifeguard's looking at you.
He's not. Again? I'm just so buoyant.
I just want you to go under. Mom.
Buoyant! I can't stay on this seat. I keep bouncing up. Maybe it's the wine.
Evan, what's up with your fingers? Is that like a fungus?
No, it's gotta bite the fuck out of my fingers, and then this one.
Watch your mouth. Hi.
Hello. Silicone bath mask, guys, which is a deep cleansing mineral. You leave around 5 to 10 minutes.
silica. Like it feels silicone-y, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. It feels like glue.
Yeah, it does. I just think that whenever there's like a big heated family argument, we should all have to fight wearing these because you can't take anybody seriously in this. What's it feel?
You're going to Reykjavik?
Yes, indeed.
Okay. We are the last men standing. Everybody else is asleep.
Look at the throne. We just woke up from a nap. This thing sucks. This is the Sun Voyager. We're going food shopping in Iceland, a bonus.
What time is it, Ashley?
10:01 p.m. and it's still bright outside. The midnight sun.